Mira, compadre. Vas a pasar el reporte a Acapulco. Mira.
Means look or see. Pronounced
mee-rah.
with the emphasis on the first syllable. It's an imperative verb, functioning as a command or a way to draw attention. It is informal and friendly in tone.
Compadre.
Means buddy, pal, or friend. Pronounced
Com-pah-drey.
with a slight rolling
R.
sound. It's a very informal and familiar term of address, suggesting a close relationship between the speakers.
Vass.
The second person singular present tense form of the verb
Ir.
to go, pronounced
Vass.
indicates that the person being addressed is going to do something.
A.
A preposition meaning to, pronounced
A.
like the in father, indicates the direction or recipient of the action.
Pasar.
Means to pass or to give. Pronounced
Pasar.
the
Se.
is pronounced like the s in pleasure. It indicates the action of transferring something.
El.
The masculine singular definite article, meaning the, pronounced
El.
it precedes the masculine noun.
Reporte. Reporte.
Means report, pronounced
Reporte.
with a soft
R.
the object being passed.
A.
A preposition meaning to, pronounced
A.
like the in father, indicates the destination.
Acapulco.
A proper noun, referring to the city of Acapulco, Mexico. Pronounced
Acapulco. H.
the destination of the report. Putting it together.
Mira, compadre. Vas a pasar el reporte a Acapulco.
Means, look, buddy, you're going to pass the report to Acapulco, or, hey buddy, take this report to Acapulco. It's a casual and informal command, suggesting a friendly and relaxed interaction.